Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I am here to show you how to make the best. Trust me, you're gonna love these green beans. The best green beans with bacon I have ever had in my life. Now you guys know that I always make some nice delicious garlicky green beans. I'm sure you have seen it in my channel. But these green beans, I was like, oh hell no. Top notch green beans, okay? I took green beans to the next level and it was very delicious. So I hope you guys love this recipe. But before I show you all the ingredients and how to make it, I just want to say something very quick. I had plans to do Thanksgiving recipes around October. I said I'm gonna do these recipes in October, work on them, for that way in November it will be there and they'll be able to make it before Thanksgiving or even Christmas. But I didn't get to do that. I was extremely busy and it just felt like things was just popping up and I wasn't able to work on any Thanksgiving videos. I want to point out the fact that I've already edited a few recipes that you could utilize for your Thanksgiving dinner. For those that really watch my videos, you guys know that I made Thanksgiving last year. I made a whole bunch of recipes. Well, there was some I never got to edit. And I was saying to myself the other day, damn, I didn't get to do no Thanksgiving recipes. And then I said to myself, wait a minute, hold up. There's still some Thanksgiving recipes from last year that I didn't even get to edit. And I said to myself, you know what? I'll just go and edit those videos and they'll still have it for Thanksgiving. If it wasn't that I didn't have no pre-recorded videos, I don't know what I would have done. So that's what you're gonna see in the next upcoming videos. So I just want to point that out because these were videos I did not get to edit and put on my channel. I know, a year later, oh my goodness, but it saved my life. So I really do hope that you guys enjoy this, and I'm truly sorry. I'm gonna really try my best to work on videos at least before Christmas. That's the least that I could do. With that being said, and I'm sorry I took a little bit of your time, let's start this recipe. Okay, you guys, the first thing you're gonna need is a pack of bacon. You could use any bacon of your choice. This is the one that I was using, and yeah, choose any bacon that you have. Also with this recipe, it all depends how much bacon you want on your green beans. So if you want to add a lot of bacon, you add a lot. If you don't want to add too much bacon, then don't add too much bacon. But come on, like who doesn't like bacon? I mean, I know I love me some bacon. Now usually with this recipe, I like to put my bacon in the oven because it comes out more crispier. I just like the texture when I put my bacon in the oven. But since I was making the turkey and I was making the ham and my oven was occupied, I had to do it in this cast iron. You want to make sure that your bacon is very crispy. You don't want no soggy bacon on your green beans. So just try to make sure that they're nice and crispy. While I was making the bacon, I put a pot of water to boil. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And once I see it that it's coming to a boil, I'm going to add my green beans. While the water is boiling, I'm gonna go and clean out my green beans. Now you could leave it with the tip if you want to, it's your choice. Me personally, I like to cut a little piece of the tip because I just don't like it, and I don't like the way it looks either. But yes, that's what I'm doing right here. But it's totally up to you. If you want to leave, the tip like that, you could leave it like that. But I don't like it like that. I'm using 2 packs of green beans since I'm doing this for a big crowd. So the water is boiling and I'm going to add my green beans. It depends how you like your green beans. If you like it more on the soft side, then you boil it for at least 10 minutes. Me, I like a little crunch to mine, so I'm going to leave mine there for like maybe 5 to 6 minutes. In this step, you're really supposed to have a bowl with some ice and kind of shock them, but I don't have time for that. So I'm just going to use cold water and, cool them down. So the bacon is done and I put my bacon grease into this bowl because I'm going to use it for a rice recipe that's going to be coming up soon on this channel. Make sure that your oil is not hot. Like, make sure it cools down a little bit before you put it into a bowl. I didn't clean my cast iron because I'm going to utilize all that nice flavors into my green beans. Make sure your fire is low when you do this step. You're going to add at least a half stick of butter. Now it all depends how much butter you want to use, but I'm using half. I'm also going to add some fresh garlic that I grated. Again, that's totally up to you how garlicky you want your green beans. We love garlic, so I'm adding at least a tablespoonful of fresh garlic. You can use garlic powder, but to me, this recipe requires fresh garlic, so please use that. Make sure your garlic do not burn in this step. Use a spoon and try to scrape out a little bit of the bacon grease. Next, I'm going to use some red onions. I cut them very, very thin. You could use any onion that you have on hand. You want to make sure that you cook this just for a few minutes, just for all the flavors could come together. Then we're going to add our green beans and our bacon. I cut my bacon into small pieces. And make sure you mix everything very, very well. I'm gonna add some black pepper. You add as little or as much as you want. I tasted one green bean to see how it was good with salt, since bacon is a little salty. I felt like it needed more salt, so I'm adding some salt. Our green beans is done. I'm putting it in this nice beautiful red thingy here. Make sure you put all that nice bacon on the top for great presentation, because presentation is key. These green beans are so delicious. You get the flavors of the bacon, the flavors of the butter, the garlic. Oh my God, the onions. Please make this. Make this during the holidays. Make this even on a regular day, because I've done it on a regular day. Just please make it. You're not going to regret it, and your guest is going to love it. Now, I wasn't going to add this part right here, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to add it. This is what I made on Thanksgiving last year. There's recipes on everything here. Of course, I got to still upload the deviled eggs, the yellow rice with vegetables. There's recipes on the ham, the turkey, the Dominican potato salad, and my coquito, and all that good stuff. And I'm bringing more recipes this week. Over here we got all the desserts, but honey, I was not going to be baking no pies. No way. After me cooking all that, no ways. So I bought it in the supermarket. The only thing I made was the tres leche, and that's already on my channel. And I'm going to post a pastelillo de guava. So that will be coming up soon as well. Just be on the lookout for some of the recipes on my next upcoming videos. And here it is, everything on the table. Everything was so good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait till this Thanksgiving. And this is my plate. Woohoo! I'm definitely gonna make a few of these recipes this year. I'm also gonna make the candy yams and record it for you guys so you can know how I make it. Oh my God, so delicious. And yeah, this was my plate last year. Delicious, delicious. With that being said, I'm really sorry that I posted some of these recipes from last year, this year. I must say that this year, it was bittersweet. I went through a lot this year. A lot of blessings, but there was a lot of setbacks. And it was a good year, but like I said, it was bittersweet. And I'm hoping and praying that 2023 will be a good year for me with no stress, no problems. No, I don't want none of that in my life. I'm 45. I don't need it. But I really do hope that you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please give my videos likes. Please recommend my channel to your friends and loved ones. All my recipes are step by step, so they're gonna learn a thing or two in this channel. Have a safe holiday, you guys, and many blessings to all of you. Goodbye.